Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be doing a deep cleaning of my pantry and my cupboard, so continue watching and deep clean with me. So I'm using this lemon scented all-purpose Lysol cleaner. It's been a minute since I haven't done a deep cleaning of my cupboard. Also, I'm using a small amount of bleach with some dishwashing soap to clean my cupboards. So I'm going to remove all the products from the shelves, clean, repack and organize. So these shelves are coated in aluminum, making them very easy to clean and protected from liquid. So now I'm on my third shelf and I'm really enjoying this cleaning vlog, just removing my product, cleaning, organizing and repacking. And guys, if you reach this far in my video and you haven't subscribed to my channel as yet, please subscribe. Also turn your post notification on, comment and leave a like on this video. So this is it for my cupboard. I'm finally done cleaning, organizing and arranging my products in an orderly manner, and now I am moving on to clean my pantry. So I'm going to remove everything from all the shelves in the pantry and clean. But for the pantry, I'm just going to use the Lysol lemon all-purpose cleaner. I'm not going to use soap nor bleach because the pantry is not that messy. So I'm only using this Lysol cleaner. And also guys, I will be doing another cleaning vlog on the other parts of my cupboard, like the cabinets where I keep my cups, my plates and also the drawers. So you want to make sure to subscribe, turn your post notifications on so you will be notified whenever I'm doing the other cleaning vlog. So this is it for my pantry. I finally done cleaning and organizing. And guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel as yet, please subscribe, turn your post notifications on, leave a like on this video, and I will see you all on my next video. Bye.